Hello, everyone. I hope everyone is doing really good. So I'm gonna show you five methods in JavaScript, and it's gonna be ling, push, unshift, pop, swift, and swift. Um, Usually ling is to see how many, um, how can we check how many number how big is your string or your array, and we're gonna make a variable, right? So we want to know how many. Yeah, we're gonna do the count, so we're gonna make a variable, and my name. So my name is Danny, and we're gonna do a string, and we want to know how many characters are in this string, and we're just gonna console log because we want to know, and we just do this. My name dot ling, and there's 5 characters in the string. Of course, if you add more, and like let's say we do an array, and we add, like, we do, I don't know, let's say my last name, right? So if we do this, it's gonna say that there's two and each, like an index. So there's two things inside that array, and of course you can use it to loop and do multiple things with the line. Okay, so we're gonna go to the next one, the push. Usually push is when you add something at the last. Like if you have an array, let's say that we're gonna make a variable, and we're gonna call it my age, just you know just because I want to. just kidding. So we know I'm just gonna put my name, and we want to add my age to this array. We want to push that number into that specific in this specific array. And then, okay, we are gonna do this, and we're gonna console log. We're gonna console log, and we're gonna do first my my age. Let's make my can do this here. I think. Let me see my age, and we just push 21. Okay, wait, I did a mistake. So const Danny, I'm gonna delete. Let's see, my age 21, and then we call my age again. So it's gonna push that number into that array. So every time it's gonna create a new array, and it's gonna push it into that one. And yep, so we're adding that number. That's my age, 21. Unshift is the opposite. So instead of, it's gonna add a one on on the first index. So for example, let's say that we make like const and national, right? So I'm Mexican, and let's say my name Danny, right? I'm 21, and we want to add that one, my nationality, to, you know like we can make another, um like, of course, um let's say, I don't know, nation. Okay, we don't have to. It's okay. Like it can be like that, but also you can make like a variable. It's gonna just gonna create a random variable. Like it's gonna be the same thing, but of course. Um, let's say that we call nationality, and we do unshift, and then we gonna add the Mexican string, right? And then in the next one, we are gonna do console log nationality, and it's gonna be there's gonna be three index, and you can see Mexican. My name is Danny, and I'm 21 years old. Okay. Pop is different. This one takes the last digit of the array. So we know that, let's say we're gonna remove my H remove, right? And then let's say we're gonna paste everything that we had. Or something like that. 20. Oh, I don't know what's wrong with that. I don't know what's the problem. Okay, let's. I don't know. There's something with const. My H remove. Okay. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna add the array, and then we're gonna put Mexican. My name is Danny. I'm string. Danny. I'm 21. And the next one is gonna be the last element, and of course it's the same thing I was doing, but like just we're gonna put it on on a variable in the variable const. So last element and my H remove, and then we're gonna do the pop method, and then we're gonna. So we know that if I do this, it's gonna grab it's gonna grab this one, right? So we want to see in the console log. I forgot how to spell console. So we know that we are gonna know the last element. So that last element of this array. So we know that's 21. So we're grabbing that one. We're just taking care of it. And then when we call that one, we do again like my H in the console log. My H right? So now we see in this array, we only gonna see Mexican and Danny because then the 21 it got removed. It got eat like it's like gone. She's gone. She's never coming back. Okay, so okay. And now with this last one, it's kind of like the same thing, but the opposite side now. So, and yeah, it just always makes me so. It's just always like so different. So we're gonna name something that's gonna call. We're gonna make a variable, and we're gonna call it remove nationality, and we're gonna make the array. We're gonna make a Mexican. My name Danny, and the number 21 because I'm 21. Okay, now it's weird. Okay, const. We're gonna make another variable. We're gonna call it removed remove element. Okay, and do we're gonna just grab this one. Shift, and then so we want to know, so we're gonna what's gonna be the element that we're removing, right? I'm just gonna be like, okay, what's the element that we're removing from here? So we know that we're grabbing the Mexican element. We're grabbing that one, So when we do console log and remove nationality, it's gonna be Danny and 21. Let's see the name of this as we learn. So it says two. There's only two in that array. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I don't know. I do my best to just you know do some examples of methods when I have the time. But thank you.